Hi, I'm Wade from Confluent. In this course, I'm going to show you how to create a series of small Flink jobs using Java. Flink can be a very powerful tool for helping you build real-time data streams. But if you aren't sure where to begin, it can seem scary at first. This course will take some of the guesswork out of the process by walking you through building Flink applications from the ground up. We'll be taking an iterative approach so that each step feels small and manageable. By the end, you will have 3 fully functioning Flink jobs that cover many of the basics you will need. Throughout this course, we'll be teaching you how to run a job, consume data from a Kafka topic, serialize and deserialize Java objects, or POJOs as they're often called, transform and filter data using a variety of operators, produce data to a Kafka topic, combine multiple incoming data sources, aggregate data streams using time windows, and manage stateful operations. The course will introduce you to the Flink Data Stream API in Java through a series of hands-on exercises. These exercises will allow you to produce and consume data through Confluent Cloud using Flink. If you haven't already signed up for Confluent Cloud, sign up now so when your first exercise asks you to log in, you're ready. Be sure to use the promo code when signing up to get the free usage it provides. If you aren't already on Confluent Developer, head there now using the link in the video description to access the rest of this course and its hands-on exercises.